reading by B. Krishna Sathik from 7th class. International news. NASA admits to launch ships to Mars after fuel leak in West Russell. Japan is developing international removal regulations and advancing Dimiris clearing technology to clear space junk. Trump aims to hold first meeting of new Board of Peace in Washington shortly in this month. National news. Defense Ministry set to take up 114 Rafale fighter jet procurement proposal soon. Indian gains in orbit training capability can snoop on enemy satellites. UID AI completes over 1 crore biometric updates for school children across India. Net news. Andhra Pradesh, India's first artificial intelligence AI university to be established at Amaravati by NVIDIA company. FA4 examinations will beginning in the state today. Sport news. Kickboxing Super League KSL in Delhi for the first time in the country. In Asian Rifle and Pistol Championship, Arjun Kabuta and Elavini Barivan win gold, setting world record in 10 minutes air rifle mixed team event in New Delhi. Thought of the day. Learning is the key to a bright future. Today's TK question. The acid present in curd, sour milk. I repeated the acid present the acid present in curd, sour milk. Answer: lactic acid.